Sorry guys, it's PSA time again. This time for carburetors. These Mikuni carburetors that are used on, as far as I'm aware, every carbureted personal watercraft ever. Now I know somebody is going to tell me that a 72 Buick PWC doesn't use this style carburetor, and I'm fine with that. In fact, I'd love to know about it. Please continue sharing the random bizarre stuff that you guys are finding out there, because it's so cool to see all the stuff that's out there in the world that I haven't yet had the opportunity to work on. So when you're rebuilding one of these, there's a very, very important setting called the pop-off. Now the pop-off affects your performance basically off idle, the transition from idle to like quarter throttle. So if you've had carburetor work done and you have a bog there now, like this customer does, where you start rolling into the throttle and it just falls on its face, but if you can open it up and get it past that, it runs flawlessly, your pop-off is set wrong. And I'm going to show you how to check that. There's a website, I think it's Seadoosource. I'll have a link to them down in this description that shows all the specs for this, all the information you could ever need to know. At some point I'll probably do a video on rebuilding one of these carburetors, but for now, PSA on pop-off pressure. Let's get the camera over here so I can show you what I'm looking at and why this is important to set properly. Essentially what the pop-off pressure is there's a diaphragm that's in the top of this carb here, and when the intake vacuum reaches a certain point, it pulls this down, which opens this needle valve and lets fuel into the carburetor more or less. So it's a little bit more complex than that in reality, but for basic explanation, that's all you need to know. So the way that they test and set up these carburetors is by applying pressure. So you have a little pump like this. It has a little pump and a gauge, and you plug it into the inlet side of the fuel pump, plug the outlet side, and see at what pressure this valve opens and goes and spits gas everywhere. So the spec for this carburetor is between about 23 and 45 PSI, vaguely in that range. And this is a situation where, if anything, it's better to err on the lower side of that, because too low will dump in a little excess fuel. You may have a rich bog, but you can tune that out more easily with the low mixture screw than you can if it's way too high. And there's, in each carb kit, there's all these little tiny springs, and there's different weights, different colors that indicate different things, and you need to be aware of all this so that you put it together right so that you get the optimal performance. So let's check what this thing is currently set to. So I'm going to plug this here and start pumping. 10 psi, 20 psi, 25. So now we're in the window where it should be opening. 30, seeing a little bubbling. 35, 40, getting hard to pump now. 45, we're getting some pretty good bubbling now. It still hasn't popped though. Boy, I'm having a real hard time pumping that thing now. 50, there we go. And at 50 psi, it popped this and then popped my hose off. So that is way too high for this, which indicates somebody rebuilt this carb and put the wrong spring in it. So if we pull this screw even just part of the way out, you can snag this little spring over here, pull this guy out, trade it out for the proper spring, and we'll see what happens when we've got the proper spring in this carb. Now that we've got a new spring in here and we've put some more gas in the top of here and tap this a couple times so that we've got the seat of that needle wet, let's see what kind of pop-off pressure we've got now. 20, 25, 30, just a hair above 30. Let's try it once more. 10. See if that needle gets dry, it'll start to leak. It's never going to be dry when it's in the jet ski. So 20, 25, 30, right about 32, which is well within the spec. So this thing's going to run 100 times better with the proper pop-off pressure. So we'll put this thing back together. But PSA over, gentlemen, set your pop-off pressure properly. Thanks for watching.